Today's topic is, do you want to implement an EMR system but don't want to take the time away from patient care in order to learn how to use the software? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the biggest advantage you'll gain from a web-based electronic medical records system, basically EMR or EHR. The biggest problem with EMR systems is that you and your healthcare staff have to take time away from helping people in order to learn new software. Maybe that's why you and other physicians haven't adopted an EMR system. You don't want to take away resources in order to adopt a whole new system. In fact, maybe you've tried to adapt a new EMR system and it was too bloated, it cost too much, and your staff would rather do things the old way. And the whole idea of an EMR system is so that you improve your workflow. But if you have to stop everything you're doing to learn a brand new system, that's going to interrupt your workflow. You and your staff have already established a workflow. It's efficient or not, but it's a workflow that works. Using an EMR system will force you to stop your current workflow, and you'll have to adjust everything you do just for the new EMR system. However, there is a way to have best of both advantages. Let me explain that next. Discover a new way to keep your current workflow and have an EMR system implemented. Most EMR software is designed from the perspective of the software engineer, not the physician. The EMR system forces you to change the way you work, interrupts your workflow, and you need to spend time learning new software. However, a web-based EMR system is designed from the perspective of the physician, not the software engineer. Let me explain what I mean. Everybody knows how to use the web and web software. Filling out a form, clicking on links, opening new tabs, drop-down menus, checkboxes, download buttons. There are a lot of tools that are intuitive to almost everybody. When your EMR system is designed to use on the web, you and your staff do not have to learn new software. That's because, again, people know how to use the web. They don't have to learn new features and new buttons and a new workflow. As a result, you and your staff do not have to take time away from patient care in order to learn a new system. Everybody already knows how to use web software and tools. But what about workflow? Don't you still have to change how you do things and adapt your workflow to even an EMR system that's based from the web? Well, let me explain how a web-based EMR system can facilitate your already established workflow and not interrupt it. Web-based EMR is designed to facilitate your workflow, not change it. The reason apps and web-based software is so popular is because they are easy to use. They are designed with the user in mind. They are made to be intuitive. That's because when you have a small screen and you need to be productive, you can't have a clunky counterintuitive system. It's the same with web-based EMR. It's designed with the user, you, the physician or healthcare worker, in mind. Web-based EMR doesn't try to change your workflow, but it facilitates your workflow. The goal of a web-based EMR system isn't to change how you work. It's designed to automate and proceduralize tasks that you're already doing. You keep your current workflow and you use your web-based EMR system as a tool to help you automate some of your drudgery work, paperwork, manual data, etc. So, how do you implement a web-based EMR system? That's next. An easy way to get a web-based EMR system now. Hi, my name is Conrad. I'm a web-based EMR software developer that builds custom, personalized EMR systems for physicians. I believe that most EMR software forces you to adapt to their system. It forces you to change your workflow to its workflow, thereby interrupting how you work. However, I think that you and your team probably have built a pretty good workflow as it is, and my goal is not to interrupt that workflow, but to automate some of your tasks so you can reduce your workload and help people faster. And the way I can do that is to build you a custom, personalized, web-based EMR system. It's designed from the ground up with your particular challenge in mind. I want your web-based EMR system to facilitate your workflow, not change it. And since it's a web-based system, it'll be intuitive to use and you and your team don't have to learn new software. So think about this. What is your biggest challenge or problem in your current workflow? Where are you having bottlenecks? For example, I'm currently helping Dr. Klein at the Lansdowne Children's Center. He has two big challenges. The first one is his current registration system is done manually, which is causing him a one-year wait list. And number two is he spends 30% to 40% of his day doing manual paperwork. So right now I'm building him a personalized EMR system to get rid of his problem. And that is, number one is to automate his registration system and help reduce his workload so there is no one-year wait list. And number two is automate his reporting so he doesn't have to spend almost half his day doing paperwork. So his final result is he wants to help people faster and have more time to do research. So think about it. What's your backlog? Where are your current challenges? Maybe I can help you build a custom EMR system to get rid of those problems. How? Where do you start? Well, that's next. Is the life of your practice worth a free web-based EMR system? The very first step is to request a free EMR system. What I mean is, before you decide to implement an entire system, I want you and your team to be 100% sure that this is what you need. I'm confident that I can build you an EMR system that will get rid of your problems, automate your workflow, double your productivity, and help you help people faster. But again, before you go 100% into this, I want to build you something that you can use right now and see the benefits without any risk. If your custom-built EMR system exceeds your expectations, then that's when we can talk about building you a full version. But for now, I want you to put me to the test and get a personalized web-based EMR system at no risk to you. So here's your one-step action plan. You'll see a link or an online form. Fill out the form with your name and your email and click the submit button. I'll email you back with more info on your next step. Thanks for watching. Thanks for reading. Again, my name is Conrad, and I'm looking forward to helping you out with your EMR system. Have a good day and take care.